channel and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to make a moisturizer, a special moisturizer that can help to clear hyperpigmentation. It is also good for wrinkles and fine lines. This moisturizer is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. It's a moisturizer that most of you, once you use it on a regular, will see some results. So what are you waiting for? Let's jump in the kitchen and start whipping this up. Today I'm going to be using some white turmeric powder, and yes, you heard me right. We are using the white turmeric because it works the same as the yellow turmeric, giving you all the benefits such as clearing dead skin cells, getting rid of dull skin, lightening, brightening, getting rid of dark under eye circles, giving the skin a natural glow. I'm using 1 tablespoon of the white turmeric powder. Next, I'm going to reach for some orange peel powder. And orange peel is rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C works on the skin similar to the turmeric powder by clearing and reducing pigmentation. Next, I'm going to reach for some hot water, and I'm going to pour about a tablespoon of the hot water over the turmeric and the orange peel powder. I'm going to mix the two together, and I'm going to mix well, totally dissolving the powder and the orange peel. Dried orange peel is easy to make. Just put your orange peel in a brown paper bag, keep it there for about 3 weeks or so, take it out, blend it, and you are good to go. Now I'm going to put this aside for about an hour or so. I'm going to let it cool while infusing. These two ingredients, when infused together, is good to use also as a facial wash. So you can go ahead and you can just use this to wash your skin, especially if you have blackheads and whiteheads and large open pores. Now that we put it away for an hour, we're going to reach back for it and we are going to strain. You can choose to strain with a cheesecloth, or you can choose to strain with a strainer like I'm using here. We're getting rid of all the particles since we are making a facial cream. And now here we have our turmeric and orange peel concentrated liquid. You can make this a couple days ahead and keep it in your refrigerator. Next, I'm going to reach for a very special ingredient, which is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel have similar properties as the turmeric and the orange peel. Lighten, brighten, reduce hyperpigmentation on the skin, getting rid of dull skin, but it also is rich in vitamin C, which help to clear pigmentation. Aloe vera gel also help to smooth sun-damaged skin. It is widely used in skincare products all over the world. I'm using 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. Next, you can also use fresh aloe vera gel for this recipe. Next, I'm reaching for some avocado oil, and this is one of my favorite oil to use on my skin. Avocado oil is rich in vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E. It is also rich in omega-3. Avocado oil is widely used for cooking, but if you use it topically on the skin, you're going to see amazing result. Now I'm using 1 tablespoon of the avocado oil. And next, I'm going to reach for some rosehip seed oil. And rosehip seed oil, just like the avocado oil, is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. A very popular oil that is used topically on the skin. 1 teaspoon of the rosehip seed oil. Next, I'm going to reach for an optional ingredient, which is going to be some vegetable glycerine. Vegetable glycerine help to preserve your DIY longer, but it also hydrates and nourishes and protects the skin. 1 teaspoon of the vegetable glycerine. So here in our bowl, we have some white turmeric. We also have orange peel powder. We have some aloe vera gel, vegetable glycerine, rosehip seed oil. And now we are going to mix, and we are going to mix together. You can choose to use a whisk to mix this in, or you can even choose to place this in the blender and blend. Mix well. And now, guys, take a look at this. And this has a very nice fragrance. This is actually very gel-like consistency. Now, let's reach for a small jar, storage jar that is. And I'm going to pour this in my storage jar. Once this is done, your face cream is ready to use on the skin. Go ahead and use this preferably at night since it is rich in vitamin A. Apply it and clean skin right after your toner. Massage it on the skin and sleep with it. Wake up with bright, clear, glowing skin. To see the best result, you use this every night for a couple of weeks, and after that then you can cut down to like every other night. However, after 2 weeks you should notice a significant brighter skin, a significant plumper skin. Your skin should look less dull, and also if you have blackheads and whiteheads, you should notice a decrease in this pigmentation on the skin. Store it in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 to 10 days. And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. You like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave your comment. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.